Welcome to the Pylontech Force H3X installation video. Use properly insulated tools to prevent accidental electric shock or short circuits. If insulated tools are not available, cover the entire exposed metal surfaces with available insulated alternatives, except their tips, with electrical tape. Minimum clearance to heat source shall be more than 2 meters. Minimum clearance between battery strings shall be more than 0.3 meters. H3X system must not be immersed in water. Ensure the base is oriented correctly and aligned with the connector position. The single battery module weighs 39 kilograms. It should be handled by at least 2 people if no handling tools are available. A maximum of 7 battery modules are allowed to be installed in one system. Place the base along the wall and reserve 40 mm distance between the back of the base and the wall. The system modules have 3 grounding points. Grounding cable must be greater than or equal to 10 Wg. The cable shall be copper with yellow-green color. There are 2 AC terminals on the controller with similar assembly steps. The AC grid terminal is used to connect to the grid, and the backup terminal is used to connect to the critical load circuit. Remove the waterproof lid from the AC terminal. Insert the connector into the AC terminal, until there is an audible sound. Turn on the battery switch at the right side of the power controller. Turn on the AC switch between the H3X and the power grid. Turn on the PV switch at the right side of the power controller. Press the start button on power controller for 2 seconds.